What is up, YouTube? Today we have a full body kettlebell workout for you guys. You're gonna need an array of kettlebells, so make sure you have a couple different options on hand, and we're gonna get right into this workout. Let's go. Okay guys, let's get right into this warm up. We're gonna be starting with our world's greatest stretch. So hand plank position, bring that left foot up nice and high, and rotate. We're gonna spend a second here, take a breath, and then take that left elbow down towards that left ankle. Give me a nice stretch here. And let's switch. Bring that right leg in front, reach up nice and high. And then right elbow down, right ankle. Take a breath and switch. One more each shot. Left leg forward, rotate. Left elbow down towards the ankle. Get that inner thigh stretched out. And switch, last one. Right foot up, rotate. And right elbow down. And then let's come on up and stand up. We're gonna get right into our jumping jacks. We're gonna go 20 reps. Hands and feet together. Let's get warmed up. 10 more. Right when we finish these jumping jacks, we're gonna get right into alternating reverse lunges. 5 each leg in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, alternate. Right side, left side. Nice and smooth, get those legs warmed up. Last 2. And good. You guys are gonna give me one more round there. We're gonna get right into that kettlebell work. Okay guys, first circuit, we're gonna get right into this. Grab your kettlebell. We're gonna be going single arm push press, 10 reps on the right side. Then you're gonna hold that weight up and you're gonna give me 5 reverse lunges with that right arm up and right leg going back. Then we'll hit the left. So let's get right into this workout in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 10 reps. Dip and drive. Last 2, get ready for those lunges. One more. Hold it up strong. Right arm is up, right leg goes back. Take your time. 5 reps. Last one, and you switch arms. Good job, bring it back. Left arm push presses, 10 reps. Let's go. Last few, get ready for those lunges. One more, and good, hold it up, left leg back. Let's do it. 1. One more. And good, put that down. You guys are gonna rest for a full minute. You're gonna give me 2 more rounds. Tough opening set. Okay guys, next set, we're gonna keep this movement going. We're gonna get right into our single arm swings. It's a little circuit. You're gonna give me 5 reps of swings, then you dip down, you give me 5 cleans, and then you're gonna hold that kettlebell in the front rack and you're gonna give me 5 squats. And then we're gonna switch to the other side. So pick your right or left side. Let's get right into these 5 swings in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hinge those hips, chest comes down, 2 more. And then you get right into your cleans. Dip down, straight up the body. 1, 2, right into that front rack. 3, 2 more. Last one. Now you hold that in that front rack position. 5 squats and we switch sides. Let's go. Take your time on the squats. We're not rushing this. Smooth, good quality motions. 3, 4, fight that kettlebell. And 5, put the kettlebell down. Get right to the swings on the right side. Let's go, 5 reps. Chest comes down. 3, 4, last one. Right to the cleans, you drop straight down, straight up. 1, straight up the body, not out in front of you. 3, 1 more, and then get right to those squats. Good front rack position, don't fall to that right side. Keep that core tight. 2 more. Last one, and good. Put that down. Quick, but gets tough on you guys. 2 more rounds, rest a minute between sets, and keep working here. Before we get into the next set, if you guys could do me a huge favor, like this video and subscribe for me, and comment below if you guys want to see any other specific videos. I'd be happy to bring them your way. Let's crush the rest of this workout. Okay guys, we're gonna get right into our next circuit here. We got 3 exercises again. We're gonna be starting single arm snatches, 5 reps with that kettlebell. Then we're gonna be going single arm rows in our bent over position for 10, and then half kneeling position 10 overhead presses. We're gonna burn out that upper body. So let's get right into this thing. Right arm, 5 snatches in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, straight down, straight up. 1 more. Bring it down, hinge forward, chest is forward over the legs. 10 rows. 1, 2, 3. Last 2, get ready for those half kneeling presses. Good, put that down, right knee is down, right arm holds the kettlebell, 10 reps. Keep working, come on. Get that 10, then we're gonna go left arm snatches here. Last 1, put that kettlebell down, get right to those snatches on that left side. 5 reps, let's go. Straight up, 1, dip, straight up the body, come on. Last 1, get down into those bent over rows. Hinge over, 10 reps, 1, 2, last few reps, get ready for those half kneeling presses. 9, good, put that weight down, left leg down, right into that front rack position. Go, 10 reps. Finish this set strong, come on, 3. Last 2. And good, put that kettlebell down. You guys have 2 rounds left. Give yourself a minute between each set and finish strong.